Well, today we're going to try and get this auxiliary fan on. It's AC Infinity to the back of our fridge. You can tell it's getting hot. And it's not getting probably as cold as it should, so it's an effort to make it more efficient but not make it more complicated, I guess, right? Is that what we're trying to do?
I would think so.
Not make it complicated. I don't want to drill any holes or anything like that. What I want to do is get it on here secured so it doesn't move around. So we'll go with the handy dandy zip ties. See how that works. So, and yeah, you gotta make sure your flow is going the right direction, so you want the air coming in. I got a second one. I might put it at the top to push the hot air out. But we'll go with this one for now.
Now, when you're bringing in the air, if the outdoor air is warm, so the fan is pushing it through.
Circulating, yeah. I'm just doing the best you can with what you have, I guess. This is like herding cats.
You need like 4 extra hands.
Go through these vent brackets. The majority of it's set on top here, so I'm wrestling with these things. So I think we got it on there pretty good.
Let's get a full-on shot here, frontal. I want to see the whole setup.
So this is the inside.
Right.
And it's resting on the screws on this face and push up against the vents with the zip ties around the case. Like I said, I don't want to put any holes in it. There's a million different ways you can mount this, I guess. Brackets on the inside, but I just want to see first how it works. And then
Okay. Alright, so you plugged it in to what?
the AC, the existing is AC for the fridge. Right here.
Now, was that thing right there, was that on it?
No.
You bought that?
Yeah, I would have it. So I can turn it on.
Oh. Okay. And that was, you got that for this?
No, I've already had it.
Now, does that fan come on automatically
No.
by a sensor, or you just do that when you...
We've got food in there. So what I want to do is take the temperature, just to take the temperature inside,
Okay.
and then let that run, and then let's see what it does.
What is it? What's the temperature right now?
83 degrees. 83. Let's see what it does. 50 degrees. It's right there. 45 on the vent. 50 down here. I'll say 50.
Okay. Okay, turning it on.
So let that run and see what it does. So it's gone down. That's gone down.
Oh yeah, it's gone down a bit.
The second part of this is the fan that goes on the inside. This will complement the one on the outside. So this will go on the inside. I'll get this right eventually.
How much air is it? Quite a bit of air coming out.
No, but you don't need no. There's enough. Let's start
think?
pushing the. The cold's coming out of here. It's being pushed out, and they've got their own little fan here. But I'm gonna put it here with the intake right up against it, and there they should push. You can fit now. You can feel it. Feel it. Put your hand over there.
Yeah.
So it'll be pushing the cold air now.
Okay.
See what it does.
All right. We'll see you in a bit.
The big reveal. See what happens. This is with both fans on, right? The outside fan.
Inside and outside fan.
Two. 45, 46. Come back. Okay, we're going to do a little update on our refrigerator fan experiment. 33 degrees. So I think it went from what, 50 to 33? And that's the little fan there, and the one on the back side. So hey, success.